I have the privilege of introducing you to the president of the university, Dr. William Wainwright. Came on board at Southeastern in June, and it hasn't even been a year, and it sometimes feels like it's been several years, and it feels like it's been a day. It's both. I can tell you, in my role as dean, we have been able to collaborate and really do great things. And the energy, the momentum, the impact that Dr. Wainwright has had already has been tremendous. I know many in this room already know Dr. Wainwright and are familiar with the work he's done, but I can tell you it's been very impactful, and it's been a privilege to work with him so far, and I'm eager for the things that we have coming down the road. So I'd like to welcome Dr. Wainwright. We're going to first start with a little video, some background about things happening at Southeastern, and then we'll have Dr. Wainwright take the stage.
Thank you all so much. I tell you, what an incredible way to start the day today. And I'm going to give some thank yous as we get started for those who inspired our inaugural business forum here on the North Shore. So I want to welcome you all. This would not be possible without the collaboration of our university family, our committed alumni, business partners, various sponsors and subject matter experts, all of whom are dedicated to ensuring the economic vitality of our region. And the ultimate goal of today's forum is to equip business leaders with key insights on business and economic development trends, innovations, and strategies while creating engaging opportunities to expand your network. I want to give due credit and appreciation to Dr. Lopez, our Dean of the College of Business, to her faculty and her students and her team that have put on today's program. So let's give them a thank you. This program was actually inspired by two of our alum, many who you well know, Steve Corey and Tom Akers. They shepherded in bringing today's event from vision to reality. So thank you, Steve and Tom. Thank you. I also want to thank our regional economic development leaders who are all with us here today. Ginger Cangellosi from Tangipahoa Parish, David Bennett representing Livingston Parish, Ryan Seal, who's our current parish president, who's with us. Hey, Ryan. But is also a former economic developer for Washington Parish. Chris Massengill, CEO of St. Tammany Corporation, and Virginia Bell of St. Helena Parish. Our ability to work collectively as a region through our economic development endeavors is certainly mission critical. They worked tirelessly during COVID, many may not know, to secure a $500,000 EDA grant focused on resiliency as a region post-COVID. So very honored to work with this team, and much of their continued work will inspire the outcome from today's forum. As president of Southeastern Louisiana, I have the privilege of working with dedicated faculty, staff, and external stakeholders like each of you to achieve a mission centered on educational, economic, and cultural development specific to the Southeastern region of Louisiana. As Louisiana's third largest university, Southeastern is leading in building pathways to prosperity for our citizens, and we are positioned for continued growth. Market-driven programs of study provide diversification in specialized areas of industry. The development of recent program modifications and concentrations centered on mechatronics, supply chain management, strategic communication, SHRM-certified human resources, and medical sales are just a few examples of the fulfillment of an industry-responsive culture on building stronger economies and communities. Our development of new programs and enhanced academic facilities stems from continuous evaluation of current and future needs of both students and workforce. We have recently added 2 fully online master's degree programs, one in computer networking and administration, and one an MBA with a focus on managing information and innovation and technology. That will set current professionals and recent graduates up for endless opportunities in an ever-growing and ever-evolving technological landscape. The development and launch of both of those master's degrees are a direct result of business and industry advisement. Additional examples of industry and higher ed collaborations abound. North Oaks Health System continues to advance innovative talent development solutions, leveraging healthcare leaders and practitioners within healthcare education and training programs at Southeastern. Our new North Shore Accelerated Nursing Program in partnership with St. Tammany Health System is helping to combat the shortage of qualified nurses. And our Auctioner Health System continues to support the evaluation and scale of healthcare workforce solutions throughout the state. Southeastern's environmental monitoring of Lake Maurepas is leading the energy sector in providing baseline data on the condition of the lake in anticipation of future carbon capture sequestration, which you will hear about more later in today's program. And the recent addition of the Robin Roberts Broadcast Media Center will provide students with state-of-the-art, hands-on learning opportunities in a variety of communication fields, and these are just a few examples of the power of partnership between higher education, industry, and private investment. You know, watching these initiatives and innovations continue to unfold is extremely exciting, and I'm happy to report that our enrollment continues to rise. We're approaching our 3rd consecutive semester of enrollment growth, and we are poised for a solid post-COVID recovery. We're seeing continued gains in enrollment in first-time freshmen, transfer students from our community college, international students, undergraduate, and graduate enrollment. And continued progress of our strategic enrollment management plan positions our university for future growth and, most importantly, student success. In addition to experiencing a robust program at today's business forum with leading experts in their fields, you will also have unique opportunities to engage with students and faculty of our College of Business. These students represent the best of our mission, and they participated in national competitions, study abroad, and various industry engagement activities designed for their success. Our students make our mission possible, and as one of our fastest growing colleges within the university, our College of Business has earned numerous national titles in community banking, professional sales, executive MBA, and certified financial analyst research. How about a hand for our students? National recognitions continue to garner the interest of both industry and students. Industry internships are providing our students real-world ready, essential skills to help them with their immediate success. And in addition, our students have enrichment opportunities. We host etiquette dinners, numerous networking events, and we even host and they execute an annual golf tournament demonstrating effective business planning and execution of the mission. The success of our College of Business is by design. This culture of intentionality and strategic alignment provides the foundation for impact. This impact has been realized in the recent publication of the University Economic Impact Study. I'm pleased to report that the economic impact of Southeastern Louisiana University has topped the $1 billion mark. You just saw the statistics. We have that available for you on our website if you would like to unpack that further. Like many of you, I am following the work of our governor and legislature in building a path forward supportive of our collective missions. As chair of St. Tammany Corporation and a member of the Committee of 100 and the North Shore Business Council, there are opportunities on the table to strengthen support of existing business while at the same time recruiting new industry. This work is vitally important in retaining talent to reverse the outmigration trends of the past. In addition, this work will play an important role in also reversing the troubling trend of population loss by creating an environment for communities and economies to grow and thrive. As many of you know, we have several resources to combat the challenges complementary to the work of the governor and the legislature. Southeastern is home to the Louisiana Small Business Development Center, designed to provide the tools and resources necessary to help businesses grow and compete in an increasingly challenging global economy. Our center offers free business consulting and affordable training seminars designed to help you attract customers, improve operations, increase sales, and successfully access capital. The engagement can be brief or long-term, but the ultimate objective is to improve Louisiana's economy through job creation and increased tax revenue. Our center is funded by the U.S. Small Business Development Administration, Louisiana Economic Development, and Southeastern Louisiana University. Since 2003, the Small Business Development Center has consulted 2,396 entrepreneurs, one you will meet at the networking social this afternoon, helped to secure over $256 million in loans and equity capital, obtained funding for over 80% of our projects, created over 2,000 jobs, and provided over 21,000 hours of training to business and staff throughout the North Shore. Our Small Business Development Center director is Wainwright, and he and his incredible team are here with us today. Please visit with them to learn more, because we are eager to do more. An additional resource, an exceptional example of resource alignment and regional collaboration and strategic focus has been the establishment of the North Shore Healthscape and Start Up North Shore, both of which the Southeastern College of Business is a partner, as well as the most progressive and innovative community and technical college in the state of Louisiana, North Shore Technical Community College, whose Chancellor Jim Carlson is with us today. Start Up North Shore's mission is centered on cultivating a robust entrepreneurial ecosystem that will offer entrepreneurs access to immersive education, networking events, mentorship for esteemed leaders, founders, and capital investors as critical support systems to help them become scalable ventures. The core of the structure links founders, support, learning, placemaking, funding, and networking. Chinzo Corona, entrepreneur in residence and program manager with St. Tammany Corporation, leads this strategic regional initiative and has made a significant impact in a very short period of time. The work of economic development leaders throughout this region and our Small Business Development Center provides an essential foundation for this work. North Shore Healthscape, a collaborative enhancing the pulse of our regional healthcare economy and recognizes the opportunities, challenges, and needs of our healthcare ecosystem. The priority areas of work for this pilot program are capacity building, workforce and talent, ecosystem development, and strategic implementation. The Regional Healthcare, Higher Education, and Economic Development Collaborative serve as another example. Ashley Llewellyn, Vice President of Strategic Initiatives with St. Tammany Corporation, leads this regional program and works closely with our parish economic development leaders, who I mentioned before, and our healthcare CEOs from throughout the region, who many are with us today. And they help us advance priorities like infrastructure, medical tourism, talent development, and programmatic expansion. I want to thank all of our healthcare CEOs for their leadership. This dynamic team will host the inaugural North Shore Healthcare Summit here on the North Shore this July, so stay tuned for more information. So in closing, you will hear today from LED Secretary Susan Bourgeois, and you heard just shortly from Commissioner Temple. They have shared and will share progressive advancements, calling on all of us to think differently and challenge the status quo so we can ensure the future strength of our state. While this critical leadership at the state level is vital, we are obligated at local and regional levels to build robust strategic, economic, and workforce talent ecosystems that result in effective resource alignment, strengthen collaboration, and a unified vision for our future. We are fortunate to have Ted Abernathy, who will speak with us shortly, to walk us through the challenges we currently face in this region, and most importantly, the opportunities that are within our control and our reach. Additional presentations and panels on artificial intelligence and research and innovation within the energy industry will illuminate the role of technology and research in strengthening our infrastructure, therefore sustaining our future. Again, I wish to thank you all for being in attendance and appreciate the work of the team who's planned today's event. It's our inaugural business forum. I look forward to your feedback after and your planning for future forums. Thank you and enjoy the program.